Hello everyone! Today, I'll be showing you on how to disable the repost feature on your TikTok videos. So, if you prefer that others don't repost your content, stick around. First, start by launching the TikTok app. Then, click on your profile icon, located at the bottom right of the screen. At the top right corner of your profile, you'll see three horizontal dots. Tap on those to open your settings. In the list of options, scroll until you find notification. Under this category, you should see the repost option. By default, this option might be turned on, allowing others to repost your videos. To disable it, simply toggle the switch off. Now, others won't have the option to repost your content. In conclusion, there you have it, a quick and easy guide on how to prevent others from reposting your TikTok videos. If this tutorial was helpful, please drop a like and consider subscribing for more handy tips. See you in the next video.